So in this video, let's have a common navigation. So let me just run the server. Okay, so you have this kind of page over here. And so if I just click what time is it and back to home, and that's it. So let's just put it as a common navigation so that like in every page, let's have what time is it and back to home and all those things. I need only these two pages, right? So yeah, I just need time over here, right? And then let me take out the terminal. Yeah, I just need time and I just need the route. Okay, so yeah, the name will be confusing. Okay, so this is actually called as root. Okay, okay, just like there is slash in Unix or yeah, Unix type of operating systems. Okay, and all these are called as routes, routes. Okay, so route, yeah, of course, the so plural is routes. Okay, that's the thing. So in a route, okay, so sometimes even route is also called as root or by some people, which is really confusing. Okay, so like that's the thing. So let's have only these two, right? So the moment I just remove it, it just shows, okay, right? You need to remove this too. So this is, yeah, so today's AI is really good. So that's the thing. And that's about it. Okay. And I don't think we need this thing. Okay. We need about because about is being used here. And we just need time. Okay. And other things we don't need. So let me just delete this. Hello. Yeah. Before that, I need to put a branch. Yeah. So 008. Common nav. Okay, so yeah. So like I don't need this about, but I don't need this hello. Let me just delete it. In real programming, you do lot of deletions. Okay, so and we need time, and we definitely need template. Okay, yeah. So yeah, so we need all these things. Okay, yeah. About template we do need and time we need. Okay, so that's the thing, right? And fine. So that's about it. And yeah, I think still our app should work. So what time is it? Okay, so and then back to home. Yeah, it still works. So now what I'm just doing is like, okay, like I'm just putting like, okay, like common nav template. Okay, so that's what I'm just doing. Right? CPLAT. Right, dot CLJ. So this will kind of inherit from this template. Okay, so right, okay. So first I just need to require template over here. So require and then no require and then not hiccup 2, it should be little ring things template st. Okay, somehow the AI has found the right one, right? So now I'm just requiring the template. Okay, so now what I just need to do is okay, it's not render. Okay, so the template is over here, right? So common nav template. So let me just put this as template itself. Okay, so define template. Okay, and then you just have title and body over here, right? And what I'm just going to do is, yeah, like I'm just going to call this template title and body. That's it, like over here, right? So, and yeah, yeah. Right now, yeah. Let's okay, yeah. Anyway, AI has corrected me. Okay, yeah, so I just need this nav over here, right? So and and then okay, the title is title, and then there is a nav over here, right? And inside this nav, okay, right? Okay, we do have a div over here, right? And inside this div is the body. So I hope you can understand, right? So, okay, you have a div over here, right? So this div ends over here. So if we do select, okay, so select current form. So this is the div. Oops. Select current form, right? So this is the div. Inside this div is the body, and inside this div is the nav. Okay, so that's how we are just giving. So the body over here, the body over here, whatever you give, is being appended with this nav. Okay, so that's the thing, right? So that's it. Okay, so you do have it. So now what we can do is, since it's closure, yeah, like look, I'm just able to make this stuff really fast. Okay, so now in handler, we can remove this template. So where is no, no, sorry, over here. I think we need to go to about.clj, and I can just put it as common nav template as T. And then that's it. So, and T slash template, and even common nav template as this function called template. Okay. So, and now in similarly in time, right? So I can just change it to this one, right? So that's it. So, and and yeah, after this, yeah, maybe I can just remove these links over here. But yeah, let me just see first. Let me just syntax error, time, CLJ, macro expanding. I really don't know what happened. Right? Okay. So, right. What about, okay, right. This is in root folder itself. Okay. So, yeah, let me just put my REPL and yeah, lineagen and right. Okay. So now, okay, I just need to go to about. Okay. And then execute this one. Yeah, this executes, and render also executes. Okay, and if I call render over here, render, and it works. So maybe I need to start and stop my server. That's what I just think. So I'll just put Control C over here, and then once again start this one. So hopefully it works. Yeah, we have this home and time over here. If I click this time and home, but the thing is, it'll be really nice if I have a space or something like that. Okay, so for that, let me go to this common nav template. So, and then it's better to put as ULLI, right? So, like I'll just put UL, right? So, unordered list. Yeah. I think I'm very sure like uh, this is anti-gravity is listening to my mic, okay? Right. So I'm very sure about that. Oops, what happened? Like why I am not oops. Okay. This closes the nav, this closes the div, this closes the template, and this closes. Yeah. Okay, so hopefully, yeah, things are working, right? So we put in ULLI, and hence we will have something like a bulleted list or something like that. Yeah, now it looks better, right? So I don't know why this thing came to the right. Okay, so I'm not sure about that. Okay, right. So where does the nav end? Oh God, the nav ends over here. So this body should be outside the nav, right? So, okay, so we have this nav over here. Okay, select current form, and this body should actually be over here. So the body should be over here, right? Okay, right. I don't know why it's putting in the same line. Okay. And it's telling to delete this one. Okay, I don't think so. That's right. Okay, so the body should be over here, right? And now let me just refresh it. Yeah. So home and time we have, and now it's time to remove these things. Okay, so this is the time, this is the home, and I need to remove other links. Okay, so I go to time and I don't need this link. Okay, so I will select this, select current form, and then remove it. Okay, so okay, let me just make it like this so that you people can see better, right? Okay, so in time we made some changes. Yeah, okay, so this link is gone. And maybe we will come to about, so that is the home, and yeah. And sometimes like this anti-gravity or okay, yeah, anti-gravity I'm using. Okay, so it's not good at inferring the braces and all those things. So that's the thing, and that you need to do it by yourself. So yeah, we have a common nav now. So how many files we have changed? So let me make this smaller. Okay, so how not so small so that like you need to squint and all those things. Come on, I need to make this. Oops, 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 oops. Okay, how to drag this? Yeah, right. Okay. So handler, we made some changes. Okay, we took out the roots which we don't need. So yeah, that's good. About definitely. So yeah, right. So and right. And then common now, yes, we extended the template. So I think that template is the base template. And hello, we just took it out. We don't need it anymore, right? So we have learned about it. And time, yeah, we remove the links and all those things. Right. So let's generate a commit. So maybe like 3 years ago, like I should have been doing almost all these things manually, 3 or 4 years ago, right? So but now, yeah, like I think even 3 years ago, things have progressed so rapidly, and that's the thing. So yeah, 008, this common nav will be there, and definitely the video numbering is doesn't correspond to this Git branch numbering, right? So don't be confused with that. Okay, so and I'm just putting the numbers so that like I don't lose track, right? So if I put a lot of branches with a lot of names, I don't know which branch comes before another one, right? So that's the thing. So anyway, thanks for watching. Until we meet in next video. Bye.